Hi guys, Thursday the 27th of January, Kingswood today, charity shop, gold or garbage. Got a bit carried away, bought a load of garbage, or at least I spent over the odds for what I wanted to buy. I'll actually cover probably the most useful item first. Spotted that action camera, HD action camera with Wi-Fi, ages 8+, obviously aimed at the younger photographer with his BMX bike, is it, or whatever, skateboard. £7.99 I paid for it. It comes with a reasonable amount of bits and pieces. It's got a tripod, strap, got the camera mount in there as well. It's got the waterproof case. It even comes with an 8GB memory card, which is unusual. Usually you have to buy the memory card separately. I mean, 8GB isn't enormous, but it'd be plenty. And that hasn't been out of the case. That is still sealed in its original case. 2019 Explore Scientific. Specification, 2-inch display, camera 12 meg, 10 meg, 8 meg, 5 meg, 3 meg, 2 meg, 1.3 meg and VGA. Video 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p 30 frames per second, 480p 30 frames per second. So yeah, 1080p, until you've actually looked at the playback, you really won't know how good that 1080p is. But that's all I use for all my videos. 4K is just a pain in the behind for me, because it takes longer to edit and longer to upload, so I stick to 1920 by 1080. Wi-Fi connectivity, water resistant, 120 degree wide angle lens, 8GB included, recording time 45 minutes at 1080p. So on the face of it, for £7.99, worth having. I'm just really torn as to whether to keep it for myself or give it to one of my grandsons, because I think he would like it. That's the same button positions as most of my action cameras, so should be able to fit my action cameras in that waterproof thing, or that action camera in my waterproof containers. Yeah, don't know what I'm going to do with that, whether to give that away straight away or keep it for myself. But I thought £7.99 can't be bad. I mean, a 8GB memory card's a few pounds nowadays, so that's not bad. Okay, next, let's find the one that I think is probably junk. Right, okay, what is it? Well, it's got LEDs at that end, an on-off switch, and if we press that button, we've got LEDs at that end. I did wonder whether it's ultraviolet for doing nails or something like that. I don't think it is, but the only way I'll find out is to put fresh batteries in it. And it takes a load of these AAAs. How many? 4 AAAs from the looks of it. So I'll put 4 AAAs in there and see what happens. I'll pause the camera for a minute. Right, 4 AAAs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. On nothing. No. So we're going to have to take this apart and have a look, aren't we? Nothing happening there. Nothing happening there. So this one's going to have to come apart, isn't it? And we'll see if we can actually get it working in any way. So that's going to be a separate video. And say, I really paid over the odds for that. I would normally have paid 50 pence for something like that, that you've got no idea whether it's any good. Yeah, not a lot going on there. So that'll be a little project. Take that apart and see if we can actually get it working. Yeah, like I say, that one was junk and overpriced at £1.90. But it might just be a matter of cleaning some terminals. Make sure that's off. Right, next. Yeah, another thing that was overpriced in my opinion. £3.50. It is 4 clipped together kits. They're only that paper covered foam. And you've got to colour them in first. I did have a quick look inside, and to be fair, we've got pretty coloured pens. Whether they're any good or not, we don't know. They've probably dried out, depending on how old this is. Graphics on a 3D puzzle to enhance the overall concept. Strengthen the beginning ability, enhance the logical thinking ability, suitable for parents and children to do together. Enhance the parent-child relationship. Graffiti to the child's hand, eye and brain coordination. And enhance the capacity of brain-eye opponents. Command has huge role in promoting. This effect cannot replace by other activities. Oh yeah, wonderful. Anyway, looking at them, or feeling them, I can feel they are pre-cut. In fact, if I hold it at the right angle, can you see the shape? Just about make out the wing shape going up round there. Yeah, I think if I bend it right. So, yeah, I mean, it's just a foam put together, in this case, aeroplane, with the addition of you colour it in first. I thought, yeah, it might be interesting. So aeroplane, jet fighter, biplane, and helicopter. Yeah, could be fun colouring them in. So, like I say, £3.90, I would have rather paid £1 for that. £3.90 is way over the top for that. In a charity shop, brand new, yeah, you probably pay that or more. Okay, next. Another clip together kit. That's more the sort of price, £1.49. Is that wood or, yeah, contains 4 wooden boards, googly eyes, sandpaper and instruction set. I should imagine that's another one of those ones that the box is much bigger than it needs to be. Yeah. Hang on. Oh yeah, that is 4 pieces. For a minute I thought there was only 3 there. Looks like somebody's thought about putting it together and then changed their mind. Yeah. So that'll go in my stock of things to put together. And then finally, I did say £1.49, yeah. And finally, 2 more. Not sure if I've done that one already. They will start to look a bit much the same after a while. But that one is one of the Woodcraft construction kits. So if we go to their website, there is probably a build video for it. I say video, it's a sort of animation thing, 3D animation. 99p, and I did do one of these the other day. Hang on a minute, I've just realised, oh dear, I didn't realise that when I picked it up. It's missing half of it. That's only one of the sheets. There should be at least 2 sheets for that. Oh, that was a waste of 99p. Didn't look at it properly when I picked it up. That's only half. That's only half the plane. Oh, that's annoying. Oh well, we live and learn. If we open that up, yeah, we've got that piece and we haven't got that piece. That was naughty. Potentially I could scan that in and I could 3D print it instead. So yeah, maybe that's something to do instead. So that was a waste of 99p. That was the right price. That wasn't too bad, £1.49. That was 3 times what I wanted to pay for it. That was at least double what I should have paid for it. 50p really for something that doesn't work. And that £7.99, probably worth buying. Depends very much on what that's like when you actually record it, because some of them that I've had, the cheap ones, the audio is awful. Sound is fine, sorry, the video is fine, and the audio is terrible. But we won't know until we open it, and I'm not going to open it until I decide whether I'm going to give it to one of my grandsons so he can put it on his skateboard, his, do you call them scooters nowadays? I can't remember. Or his hat. We'll see. Anyway, there you go. Lots of money for not very much. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.